friends of the Friendship Revolution. It's Roberta here again from It's All in the Details in Kennewick. Last time we left you off talking about some essentials you needed to have in your home for entertaining to make it quick, easy, and have it. Now, some of you are probably saying, I don't have room to have extra stuff. I'm going to show you how you can keep it out all year round and be able to use it when you need it. So we talked about boards. I have a round one here. I have just a plain cutting board. We're going to use the square one. Put it on your kitchen island and have it out ready to go. We can add a beautiful white pitcher, which is going to be so versatile whenever you do. We talked about having a little cup or a bowl. You can leave it right there. We can just put some greenery in there and all of a sudden it's really pretty. We want a candle in there, and let's see, I actually have a candle here, one of my favorites. It's a rewind candle. It smells like wine. I think you guys see a theme here. We also have some flowers. We talked about flowers. They don't have to be fresh. Yes, love fresh, but can't always get to the store. So now we're gonna put some flowers in here that you just happen to have laying around because you're prepared and you're ready. So now I got my candle, I got my flower, I got my cutting board. We're gonna put a little sign here that says, stay a while. This sign can be changed out to say who you are. There's so many different ones. Let's show your personality here. One of the things that I really love is, again, I have my wine. I'm gonna keep my wine right here. These are really fun little nifty tricks. It's a bottle topper. You can keep crackers in it, but it looks just beautiful sitting right there on your island. Now you have a decoration that's you can utilize every single time you entertain. Again, stay tuned for the next segment where I'm gonna show you how to take the same look and make it fit different styles for different homes. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe.